Hello everyone, we want to solve this nice expression, this algebraic expression and exponential expression. We have a to the power of 10 plus 3a to the power of 8 minus a to the power of 6, everything over a to the power of 9 plus 3a to the power of 8 minus a to the power of 7 equal to 4. We want to find the value of a. Solution here. So we have, first thing first, we factor out the lowest power, the lowest exponential power from the denominator and the numerator. So from our question, a to the power of 10 plus 3a to the power of 8 minus a to the power of 6 over a to the power of 9 plus 3a to the power of 8 minus a to the power of 7 equal to 4. So simplifying this part, a to the power of 6 and a to the power of 7. So that gives us 1 into bracket a to the power of 4 plus 3a to the power of 2 minus 1, close the bracket, over a into bracket a to the power of 2 plus 3a minus 1 equal to 4. So what we do now is to multiply what we have at the denominator, we multiply it on both sides. So our next step becomes a to the power of 4 plus 3a to the power of 2 minus 1 will be equal to 4a into bracket a to the power of 2 plus 3a minus 1. Now let's open the brackets with 4a. So and that gives us 4a to the power of 3 plus 12a to the power of 2 minus 4a. So at this side we have a to the power of 4 plus 3a to the power of 2 minus 1. So what we do now is to equate the right hand side to be equal to 0. So by moving the whole of this to the left hand side, and if we do that, we are going to have a to the power of 4 minus 4a to the power of 3 minus 9a to the power of 2 plus 4a minus 1 equal to 0. So here what we do now is to divide all through, knowing fully well that a must not be equal to 0. So this implies that a to the power of 4 divided by a to the power of 2 minus 4a to the power of 3 divided by a to the power of 2 minus 9a to the power of 2 divided by a to the power of 2 plus 4a divided by a to the power of 2 minus 1 divided by a to the power of 2 equal to 0. Minus 9 equal to 0. So here we have a to the power of 2 minus 1 over a to the power of 2 minus, so we can factor out 4 over here. So we have 4 into bracket a. So if we factor out 4, we have a minus 1 over a. We close the bracket, then minus 9 equal to 0. So from a squared minus 1 over a squared is equal to a minus 1 over a into bracket to the power of 2. So what we do now is to let a minus 1 over a to be equal to t. So from our previous expression, we can transform that to be a minus 1 over a into bracket to the power of 2 minus 4 into bracket a minus 1 over a, close the bracket, then minus 9 equal to 0. So by substituting this expression to t, so our expression becomes t squared minus 4t minus 9 equal to 0. So this led us to a quadratic equation. So here we are going to use the quadratic formula to solve this equation. So doing that, our t will now become equal to minus into bracket minus 4 plus or minus square root of minus 4 squared, then plus 4 multiplied by 1, then multiplied by 9. Everything over 2. Substituting correctly, so we have this expression. Then our next step becomes t will now be equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 16 plus 36, everything over 2. Now this gives us t will be equal to 4 plus or minus, by adding this we have 52 all over 2. T will be equal to 4 plus or minus, so we simplify this, then we have that to be equal to 4 multiplied by 13, everything over 2. And that can be written as 4 plus or minus square root of 4 multiplied by square root of 13 over 2. This gives us t to be equal to 4 plus or minus 2 square root of 4, 2, then square root of 13, everything over 2. Let's factor out 2 from the numerator. We have 2 into bracket 2 plus or minus square root of 13, close the bracket, over 2. The 2 cancel out. Then we have t to be equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 13. Recall our t is equal to a minus 1 over a. So this simply means that a minus 1 over a can be written as 2 plus or minus square root of 13. So from here, if we multiply through this expression, if we multiply through by a, we have that to be a will be if we multiply through, so that implies a minus 1 equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 13 into brackets multiplied by a. A will be equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 13 into bracket plus or minus square root of into bracket 2 plus or minus square root of 13 squared, then plus 4. So if we multiply 4 by 1 by minus 1, so we have 4, and everything will be over 2. So what we need to do here is to simplify this. So, and that gives us 2 plus or minus square root of 13 squared can be expressed as 7 plus or minus 4 square root 13. And if we insert that into this expression, so we have a to be equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 13 into bracket plus or minus square root of 7 plus or minus square root 13 plus 4. So we have 4 plus 7, everything over 2. 4 plus 7 give us a to be equal to 2 plus or minus square root 13 into bracket plus or minus square root of 11 plus or minus 4 square root 13. Everything over 2, which should be our value of a, which should be our value of a in this expression. So we can compute this with our calculator for a equal to 2 value. So I leave that for you. So comment below what is your final value after computing this with your calculator. Leave your comment in the comment section. So if you, after computing your value of a with your calculator, leave your answer in the comment section. And if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, like the video as well, and share it to your loved ones. Thanks for watching. We meet in another interesting one. Bye for now.